Start preparation for more than 50,000 questions. With this preparation series, build your career with computer. Preparation for computer operator with 50,000 questions answered. First question. Biochip falls on A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fifth generation. And the answer is fifth generation. Second question. Napier's bone was developed by A. John Napier in 1614, B. John Newman in 1618, C. Charles Babbage in 1812, D. Herman Hollerith in 1887. And the answer is John Napier in 1614. Third question. Which one is not known as computer system? A. Input section, B. Display section, C. Output section, D. Processing section. And the answer is display section. Fourth question. Data is a collection of A. Raw material, B. Facts and figures related to the user, C. A set of number, D. A set of alphabet. And the answer is facts and figures related to the user. Fifth question. What one is not a feature of magnetic tape? A. It can be reused. B. It is a sequential accessing device. C. Data accessing rate is very low. D. Data cannot transfer from this device to hard disk. And the answer is, data cannot transfer from this device to hard disk. Sixth question. The computer that works on the basic of signal produced to the variation in physical quantities? A. Hybrid computer, B. Mainframe computer, C. Analog computer, D. Mini computer. And the answer is analog computer. Seventh question. The system diagnostic program stored on ROM is called A. Livewire, B. Firmware, C. System software, D. Application software. And the answer is firmware. Eighth question. A part of computer that stores data and information temporarily. A. ROM, B. RAM, C. Disk, D. CD-ROM. And the answer is RAM. Ninth question. The main circuit board containing the vital component of a PC. A. Hard disk, B. Sound card, C. Motherboard, D. Modem. And the answer is motherboard. 10th question. set of code that used in writing a program is A. Statement, B. Line, C. Paragraph, D. Commands. And the answer is statement. Subscribe to continue the learning and preparation.